1212 energy is all about clear as crystal. Clear as crystal. This is clear quartz. The energy is a really clearing energy at the moment. We know that we're in the end of that snake vibration. 2025 was all about the shedding, the releasing. Now, and what I want to say is that 2026 energy and frequency is already within us. It is already there. It is dancing. The vibration is all around. And you have a choice right now. And the choice is to take ownership for your journey, to take complete ownership. This is not, oh, today I'm just going to take a bit of ownership, but tomorrow I'm going to then get back into the victim energy and know that I'm just so confused. This is about, okay, we're in 2026 vibrational energies, already moving in. I am going to take complete ownership of this journey, but I am not going to allow the journey to own me. There is a very big difference of, yes, I am on the journey. Yes, this now, my whole world is changing. How I see the world, how I vibrate in the world is very different. How I listen, and you might not even listen to the news. How you absorb the news, how you see beyond the news, how you see beyond everything that is displayed within the matrix. And yes, your whole identity, the old identity, has crumbled, has fallen away, and it is now time to rebirth. And let me tell you, this is not a rebirth that you do once. This is a constant rebirth. And what are you rebirthing? You are rebirthing and releasing and letting go. You see, the soul's journey is a journey of unbecoming, of knowing that you are equally everything. You are creation itself, but you are also equally nothing as well. How can you be both? Well, creation doesn't identify with anything. It is always in a forward moving energy, an ebb and a flow. Look at the seasons. The seasons are our biggest teachers. Our biggest. If you are looking for the best spiritual guru out there, the best twin flame coach, I say go out into nature, because nature will show you what the journey is truly about. The ebb and the flow, the blooming, the glow up. You know, we hear, don't we, about the illumination. There will be a point on the journey where your energy will illuminate, where you come into that summer frequency. There will be also times of shedding, like we shed in the autumn. We release, just like the trees release. There'll be a time for planting those seeds of potential. And guess what? The energy that we are in right now, it is time for shedding, releasing, planting the seeds of potential, coming home to ourselves. What does the bear do in the winter? They go into that coming home to ourselves, being slow, being gentle, nurturing. When did you last look at yourself and go, what do you need today? What do you need from a soul perspective? What love, what nurture do you need today? What can I give you? As that divine feminine, what can I give you? And I don't mean me, I mean you. What can you give yourself? And most of the time, we don't look at those things. It's far easier to go, well, they're not doing this, they're not doing that. That's not this journey. This journey is a journey of where you come into sovereignty. And so you have to say, what do you need today? What can I give you today? And in that energy, that's when your journey starts to change. And in that frequency, that's when you start to shift into your inner union. And we know on this journey that divine masculine cannot come in until divine feminine is holding that inner union frequency. From that inner union frequency, it allows divine masculine to come in slowly and gently. And in that energy, you both start to be able to hold the energy and frequency longer, not just straight away, longer. But it's a slow, energetic journey of being able to hold that frequency. And if you start to spin out and go to projecting, divine masculine will mirror it back, show you straight away. This is the biggest journey you will ever go on, and it is a journey of the sovereign, sacred, Christ-conscious frequency. If you need more help and support, my website's there. It's the 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. But it's not full of pink fluffy stuff. We're not here to do the spiritual bypassing. We're not here to do the pink fluffy stuff. We're here to go all the way deep and rise into that inner union and that sacred sovereign energy. From my heart to your heart, I send you much love.